Did you know Venus has more volcanoes than Earth? Let's talk Venus! This fiery neighbor has over 1,600 active volcanoes, way more than our little blue planet. Yup, you heard that right. While Earth has its share of volcanic drama, Venus tops the chart with these fiery giants. Some of Venus's volcanoes are still erupting today, making it a dynamic and sizzling world. Imagine molten lava flowing across its surface like a never-ending fireworks show. The temperature of volcanic lava on Venus is estimated to be between 700 to 800 degrees Celsius, which is extremely hot, comparable to lava on Earth. Join our family for space exploration and discover more wonders of the universe.